Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast, your cozy space to grow your English skills and build your confidence step by step. I'm Lucas, and I'm so glad you're here.
And I'm Mia. It's so nice to join you today, Lucas, and hello to all our amazing listeners. Thank you for spending your time with us. Today, we're diving into a simple but super helpful topic for English beginners, talking about your daily routine in English.
Yes, Mia, I love this topic. Talking about what you do every day is a fantastic way to learn practical English words and phrases you can use immediately. Before we jump in, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, please remember to subscribe to the Everyday English Podcast and share this episode with your friends who are also learning. It helps us so much.
And we love reading your comments, so please feel free to write about your day in English in the comments below. Don't be shy. Now, Lucas, let's begin with the morning. What does your typical morning look like?
Great question, Mia. Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. When I wake up, I take a deep breath and stretch a little in bed before getting up. It helps me feel awake.
That sounds like a peaceful start to the day, Lucas. I wake up a little earlier, around 6:30, because I like to have some quiet time in the morning. After I wake up, I get out of bed and open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
Opening the curtains is a good idea. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. It helps me feel fresh and ready to start the day.
I do the same, Lucas. Washing your face and brushing your teeth are important morning actions. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have a cup of coffee and some toast with fruit, like a banana or an apple.
Yum! That sounds nice. I often have a cup of tea with cereal for breakfast. I like to sit quietly while I have breakfast and think about my goals for the day.
That's a lovely habit. After breakfast, I get dressed for the day. I choose my clothes and put them on. If I'm going out, I also put on my shoes and grab my bag.
Same here. Once I'm ready, I leave the house and go to work. I work at an office, so I usually take a short walk to get there.
That's nice. Sometimes I work from home, so I go to my desk and prepare my laptop to start the day. Now, Lucas, what do you usually do during the day at work?
At work, I sit at my desk and use my computer to check emails, write reports, and attend online meetings. Sometimes I also talk with my colleagues about our projects.
That sounds busy. I also check emails and have meetings during the day. I sometimes write lesson plans for my English classes too. Then, around noon, I usually have lunch. What do you like for lunch, Lucas?
For lunch, I often have a sandwich with some vegetables or a light salad. I like to eat something that gives me energy for the rest of the day.
That's a healthy choice. I sometimes go out for lunch with a friend or bring lunch from home. After lunch, I go back to work and continue with my tasks.
Yes, and when the workday ends, I usually go home. It feels good to walk back home and relax after a busy day.
Absolutely. When I get home, I often relax on the sofa for a while and maybe watch some TV or listen to calming music. Sometimes I like to cook dinner after I get home. I enjoy making simple meals like pasta or vegetable soup. Cooking helps me relax. Cooking can be a great way to unwind. After dinner, I often wash the dishes. Then I might read a book or talk to my family or friends.
Those are wonderful ways to end the day, Mia. Sometimes I like to take a short walk in the evening to get some fresh air, and then I come back home and prepare for bed. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. Then, I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. so I can have a good night's sleep. I try to go to bed around the same time too. Sleeping well helps us feel ready for the next day.
Let's quickly review some useful phrases for our listeners today. Wake up, get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, leave the house, go to work, sit at my desk, check emails, have lunch, go home, relax on the sofa, watch TV, cook dinner, wash the dishes, read a book, go for a walk, go to bed. These are great phrases you can use to talk about your daily routine in English. Friends, you can practice by talking about your own day in English using these phrases, or you can write them in your notebook to remember them better. And remember, don't worry if you don't know every word yet. Just try your best and keep practicing. Every small step you take helps you become more confident in English.
Exactly, Mia. Learning a new language takes time, and it's okay to go slowly. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it feels. Thank you so much for joining us today, everyone. We love talking about daily routines with you, and we hope this episode helps you feel more confident in your English practice. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the so you don't miss our future lessons, and share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
And leave a comment below telling us about your daily routine in English. We would love to read about your day. Until next time, keep practicing, stay kind to yourself, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye for now, friends. See you in the next episode. And leave a comment below telling us about your daily routine in English. We would love to read about your day. Until next time, keep practicing, stay kind to yourself, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye for now, friends. See you in the next episode.